Okay, gentlemen, welcome to the next chapter, chapter 6, section 1. We're going to talk about angles of polygon. Polly's gone. Did her angles go with her? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to define something. So a diagonal is a segment that connects any two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. So we have in highlighting in yellow, and they're red here. Those are the diagonals of PQRST from vertex P. Those are diagonals because these are, if I go to the other vertices, like this one to here, or from here to here, those are sides. Okay, so the other two vertexes, when I connect those create diagonals. So here's a picture of a triangle, and there are no diagonals, because to connect any two non-consecutive vertices, well, all the vertices are consecutive. So diagonal has zero, excuse me, a triangle has 0 diagonals. Now here's a quadrilateral. So if I start from this vertex here and I go to this one here, I can only make one diagonal because the other two vertexes would be formed, would form sides. So with a quadrilateral, there is only one diagonal. Okay, here on the pentagon, if I start from here to here, you'll see that now we've got 2 diagonals. And this forms 1, 2, 3 triangles. So here we have a hexagon. And from one vertex I can form 1, 2, 3 diagonals, forming 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. So the question that begs itself is this: is there a relationship between the sides, how many sides it has, diagonals, triangles, and angle measures? So there's the question. Is there, oh, I misspelled there. It should be this there, not the other there. Is there a relationship between this number of sides, a number of diagonals then, number of triangles formed, and the angle measures? Yeah, let's get rid of all these. So we're going to build a table here. So a triangle has 3 sides. There's only one triangle with a triangle. And the sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle are 180 degrees. With a quadrilateral, there are 4 sides. And I can take in with one diagonal only from a vertex, create 2 triangles. And those angle measurements would add up to 360 degrees. Pentagon, 5 sides, 3 triangles. 3 times 180 is 540. Hexagon, 6 sides, 4 triangles. 4 times 180 or 720. So here is a formula that we can use to figure out the sum of the interior angle measures of a triangle. So the sum of the interior angle measurements of an n-sided convex polygon is n minus 2, or the number of sides minus 2, times 180. So in order to figure out what a measure of A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C plus the measure of angle D plus the measure of angle E is equal to, you take 5 minus 2 times 180 and get 540. So we're going to solve for x here. So in the prior problem, or the prior page, slide, I should say, we learned that n, the number of sides, which is 5, minus 2, times 180, for this is a pentagon, right? So 5 minus 2 is 3 times 180, which is equal to 540. Now we want to solve for x. So we're going to take all of these angle measurements and add them up to make them equal to 540. So we're going to start right here and work our way this way around the figure. So 3x plus 14 plus 3x plus 14 plus 2x plus 2x, I'm kind of cut across here, plus 142 equals 540. Okay, so 3x plus 3x is 6x, plus 2x is 8x, plus 2x is 10x. 14 plus 14 is 28. 28 plus 142 is 170. So that's going to be equal to 540. So if I take 540 and subtract 170 from it, I end up with 370. So 10x equals 370. So we're going to divide each side by 10. X is now equal to 37. Okay. So on this triangle here, I can ascertain that that's 60, and this is 85, and this is 35. So you'll notice, though, that all these these add up to 180 here, but the exterior angles add up to 360. So quadrilateral. And that adds up to 360. 40 plus 82 plus 113 plus 125 is 360. Gone. When we add those 5 angle measurements up, again I get 360. Excuse me for a moment, guys. Hey, shut up! Thank you. All right, so just like when I'm in class, right? Anyway, you guys start barking, I yell at you. If I had my water bottle, he would have got it. He would have got squirted one. Anyway, the sum of the exterior angle measures of a convex polygon, one angle at each vertex, is 360. It doesn't matter. Here it's got 6 angles we're going to add up. If I had 100 angles, that they were exterior angles, a 100-sided polygon, the sum of the exterior angle measures would be 360. Okay, so a couple different types of problems. Now, if they tell us what the interior angle of a regular polygon, remember regular means a regular polygon. Quick reminder here. It is equilateral and equiangular. So all the angles are equal. So if each one of the interior angles measures 135, that means each one of the exterior angles. So if interior angle equals 135, then the exterior angle would have to be equal to 45, right? Because they must add up to 180. They're supplemental angles. So if I want to find the number of sides in the polygon, I would take 360 divided by 45. And 360 divided by 45 is 8. So the number of sides that you would have is 8 sides. So that's the number of sides. Divide 360 by the exterior angle measurement. Can we solve for x with this? Sure we can. So we just start with an angle, and I'm just gonna work my way around this way. And those are all gonna add up to 360. So 2x plus 9x plus 6x plus 139 equals 360. So 17x plus 139 is equal to 360. So I subtract 139 from each side, and I get 17x equals 221. Divide each side by 17, so x equals 13. Okay, so basically we're looking at the figure. The figure gives us our equation to start with. We simplify, we do our algebra, and we come up with our final answer. Same problem, it's just things are a little bit more complex here. So I'm going to start right here and just work my way around. So 6x minus 5 plus 3x plus 10 plus 2x minus 5 plus 5x plus 2x equals 360. Now, one of the things I find helpful is that when I'm doing these problems, I'm going to combine my x's and my other numbers. I just cross them out. So 6x plus 3x is 9x, plus 2x is 11x, plus 5x is 16x, plus 2x is 18x. Minus 5 plus 10 is plus 5. 5 minus 5, 0. So 18x equals 360. X equals 20.
That's all, folks.
Stay healthy, stay happy, do your homework. Have a great day, guys.